Well, hello everybody. Thursday, February 22nd. Dad has opened up the front here now. He's got the front door panel in for the power steering, and so the customer can access the front. He's put in the customer's hinges that the customer ordered, and Dad has done a little body puttying there. He's going to put in some truck bread spray for protection around there so nothing leaks and gets in. We got the top stuff on the market, and Dad has already installed the steering column here for the steering wheel, and we're going to check in on what Dad's going on here. I imagine he's going to get this power steering installed very quickly. Okay, so again, Thursday, February 22nd, Dad's just going to give us a brief update of what he's doing here.
Okay, the door is in and everything is flush.
Yeah.
But I had drilled a couple of holes for a different type of catch.
Yeah.
Because I forgot about these. And what you do is you lift them up.
Yeah.
Like that. Turn them. And there you are.
Okay, there you go. So that's the new door catch Dad just put in, and might be wondering what that frog tape is doing there. Dad is just using it to protect it, but he's going to put this truck bed liner that he uses around these doors so that nothing gets in. And then, like I said before, he's already started on the power steering project. So the everything is installed in here, and he's got a bit more to go, and then that'll be done. And the tie rod ends just came in. I picked those up from Carly Bearing and Auto, and those new tie rod ends are going to be
Here.
installed in here, somewhere around here. Can't really see.
With this door, you can put a passenger. Where are you?
I'm right here.
You put a passenger.
Oh, there we go.
The Apprentice are looking
The
for some work.
Apprentice looking for some work
Got
now
any
that he's
openings?
retired.
No
Any
openings.
openings? Yeah, there's an opening in the front here. And so the Apprentice just came by to show photos of his machine that was sold down south in Amaranth.
Oh, show.
And the guy is really happy with his machine. But we're going to do a compilation video here, probably 3-4 days of Dad doing some stuff, simply because of the fact we're still 2 weeks ahead of schedule on videos, and we want to make sure we can try to get closer to a publication date for the videos. But Dad's really enjoying working on this machine so far, and we got a new steel already for the floor, and we already have it pre-cut and measured out, and that's going to go in on the floor of the Bombardier. Dad's already got the insulation for the roof, or I mean the ceiling, and we got the plywood treated and non-treated for the roof, or I mean the ceiling. Still waiting on this customer to show up, and we're gonna text him again today and see what's going on. But that's Dad's day, and two good buddies showing up, and that is it for now, guys. Stay tuned for the next video. Oh, you're coming over for a pet? Okay, hi. Yeah, hello, my King Charles.